After the age of 60, your brain may be losing thousands of neural connections every single night, without you even realizing it. That is why so many older adults start noticing small things happening more and more often. You walk into the kitchen and forget what you came for. You run into someone you have known for years but cannot remember their name for a few seconds. You are having a completely normal conversation and suddenly forget what you were about to say next. The scary part is that most people think this is just a normal part of getting older. But the truth is not that simple. Studies show that nearly 40% of adults over 65 begin to experience mild signs of memory decline, and most of them do not realize that their brains may be quietly declining at night when the body is missing the nutrients it needs to repair and recover itself. Because nighttime is not just when you sleep. It is when your brain clears out toxins, repairs cells, builds new neural connections, and stores important memories. If that process is disrupted night after night, you may start feeling slower, more forgetful, less focused, and wake up every morning feeling mentally heavy, like you never truly rested at all. But here is what surprises many people. Your brain is not always declining just because you are getting older. In many cases, your brain may simply be hungry. Hungry for antioxidants, hungry for vitamins that help produce neurotransmitters, hungry for the nutrients needed to protect brain cells while you sleep. And what is interesting is that there are 3 very common, inexpensive fruits you can find in almost any grocery store. That may help your brain recover better at night, improve memory, increase mental clarity, and help you wake up feeling sharper the next morning. More importantly, the last fruit on this list may be exactly what your brain needs most right now. Many people believe memory loss is simply a normal part of aging, but if you pay close attention, the first signs usually appear very quietly. You forget where you just left your keys. You are telling a story and suddenly lose your train of thought. You go back to check the door several times because you are not sure whether you locked it. You read a short paragraph, but a few minutes later, you cannot remember what you just read. At first, these things seem small. You may tell yourself that everyone goes through this as they get older. But over time, those small moments start happening more often. And what worries people most is not forgetting an object or a name. What scares them is the feeling that they are slowing down. Their mind does not feel as sharp as it used to. It becomes harder to focus, harder to keep up with a long conversation, easier to feel tired, confused, or impatient. That is when many people begin asking themselves, am I starting to lose my memory? The truth is that in many cases, your brain is not broken. Your brain may simply be functioning in a state of deficiency. As we age, blood flow to the brain gradually decreases. Neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and acetylcholine are no longer produced as strongly as they once were. The brain becomes more vulnerable to inflammation, more vulnerable to oxidative stress, and needs more time to repair itself after each day. Especially if you are not sleeping deeply or you wake up often during the night, your brain may not have enough time to complete its cleanup process. Nighttime is when the brain removes waste that builds up throughout the day. It is also when the brain strengthens memories, stores important information, and creates new neural connections. If this process is disrupted too often, you may start waking up feeling foggy, sluggish, and low on energy. That is why so many older adults feel their sharpest in the afternoon, but they're most tired and forgetful early in the morning. And here is something very few people are told. Many times, your brain is not aging faster. It is simply missing the nutrients it needs to recover each night. Nighttime is not when the brain shuts down. In fact, it is one of the most active times for your brain to repair and restore itself. While you sleep, your brain begins clearing out waste that has built up throughout the day. Excess proteins, toxins, and inflammatory molecules are removed through the brain's natural cleaning system. If this process works well, you wake up feeling clearer, more focused, and able to remember things more easily. But if you do not sleep deeply, go to bed too late, or lack the nutrients your brain needs, this process slows down. Those waste products do not disappear completely. They continue to build up night after night, week after week, and year after year. That is why many older adults begin to feel mentally foggy in the morning. They wake up but do not feel truly alert. They have trouble focusing, react more slowly, and often forget things that just happened. Besides cleaning itself, nighttime is also when the brain strengthens memory. Everything you see, hear, and experience during the day gets organized while you sleep. Important information is kept. Unnecessary information is removed. That is why a good night's sleep often helps you remember things more clearly the next day. But for that to happen, your brain needs the right fuel. It needs magnesium to calm the nervous system. It needs B vitamins to produce neurotransmitters. It needs antioxidants to protect brain cells from inflammation and damage. And that is exactly why what you eat in the evening matters so much. It is not just about what you eat. It is about what you give your brain right before it enters the most important recovery phase of the day. There are some very common, inexpensive fruits that are almost always sitting in your kitchen, yet they contain exactly the nutrients your brain needs most at night. The important thing is that each fruit helps the brain in a different way. One helps you sleep more deeply. One helps reduce inflammation and protect brain cells. And one special fruit helps increase blood flow to the brain while you sleep. Number 3. Bananas. Many people think bananas are only good for digestion or helping you stay full longer. But for the brain, especially an aging brain, bananas may be one of the most helpful fruits you can eat before bed. That is because bananas contain a unique combination of vitamin B6, magnesium, and tryptophan. Vitamin B6 helps the body produce serotonin and dopamine, two neurotransmitters directly linked to mood, focus, and memory. Tryptophan, on the other hand, is an amino acid the body uses to produce melatonin, the hormone that helps you feel sleepy and sleep more deeply. Magnesium helps relax the nervous system, calm stress signals in the brain, and make it easier for the body to fall asleep. That is why many older adults struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up in the middle of the night when they are low in magnesium or vitamin B6. And when sleep is not deep enough, the brain does not have enough time to fully repair itself and strengthen memory. One study found that older adults with higher levels of magnesium and vitamin B6 tended to sleep better, feel less tired in the morning, and have stronger memory performance. But what makes bananas special is that they do not just help you sleep. They help put your brain in the best possible state to recover. When serotonin and melatonin are produced more efficiently, the brain enters deep sleep more quickly. And it is during that stage that brain cells are repaired, new neural connections are formed, and memories are stored more effectively. George, age 68, said he used to wake up at 3 a.m. almost every night and then struggle to fall back asleep. In the morning, he always felt mentally heavy and forgetful. After about 2 weeks of eating half a banana with a few almonds before bed, he started sleeping better and no longer felt that brain fog the next morning. If you want to try it, eat about half to one small banana around 45 minutes to an hour before bed. Choose a banana that is ripe with a few brown spots on the peel because it usually contains more tryptophan and is easier to digest. But remember, bananas are only the beginning. The next fruit does not just help the brain relax, it also helps protect brain cells from the aging process happening quietly every day. Number 2, apples. If bananas help the brain relax and sleep more deeply, apples help protect the brain from two of the biggest causes of memory decline, inflammation and oxidative stress. These are two silent processes that happen inside the brain every day as we get older. Over time, brain cells are constantly attacked by unstable molecules called free radicals. They damage nerve cells, slow communication between different parts of the brain, and make you more likely to become forgetful, lose focus, or react more slowly. The important thing is that you cannot see this process happening. You only notice the effects of it. you take longer to remember a name. You forget what you were about to do. Your mind no longer feels as quick as it used to. And that is where apples can make a difference. Apples, especially red apples and darker skinned varieties, are rich in quercetin and polyphenols. These are powerful antioxidants that may help protect brain cells from damage. Quercetin is especially important because it is concentrated in the apple peel and is believed to help reduce inflammation in areas of the brain linked to memory. Some studies in older adults have found that people who eat apples regularly tend to have better memory, stronger focus, and a lower risk of cognitive decline compared to people who eat fewer antioxidant-rich fruits. But the benefits of apples do not stop there. Apples also contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that is very good for gut health. That may not sound related, but more and more research shows that the gut and the brain are closely connected. When your gut microbiome is healthier, your body produces more compounds that support the brain, reduce inflammation, improve mood, and strengthen memory. That is why many experts call the gut the body's second brain. If you want to get the most benefit from apples, do not peel them. Most of the quercetin and polyphenols are found in the outer skin. Just wash the apple well and eat the whole thing. Try eating an apple about 1 to 2 hours before bed while your body still has enough time to absorb the antioxidants and fiber. But if apples help protect the brain from damage, the next fruit does even more. It helps deliver more oxygen and blood flow to the brain while you sleep, something very few older adults know about. Number 1. Oranges. If there is one fruit that can both protect brain cells and help you feel sharper the next morning, it is oranges. Most people only think about oranges when they have a cold or need more vitamin C. But very few realize that the brain is one of the organs that needs vitamin C the most. The problem is that the brain cannot store vitamin C for very long. That means if you are constantly low in vitamin C, your brain becomes more vulnerable to inflammation, oxidative stress, and poor blood flow. Over time, this can make you feel slower, less alert, and more easily distracted. Vitamin C also plays an important role in producing dopamine and norepinephrine, two neurotransmitters that help you stay alert, motivated, and focused. When vitamin C levels are low, many people begin to feel more tired, low on energy, and unable to think clearly. That is why some people sleep long enough but still wake up feeling mentally heavy, like they are not fully awake. Oranges do not just provide vitamin C. They also contain a compound called hesperidin, a flavonoid that may help improve blood flow to the brain. This is especially important for older adults because as we age, blood vessels become less flexible and blood flow to the brain often decreases over time. When the brain receives less oxygen and fewer nutrients, you are more likely to experience forgetfulness, slower reactions, and trouble focusing. Some studies suggest that older adults who regularly eat citrus fruits tend to have better focus, stronger memory, and better information processing. Margaret, age 72, said she always felt mentally foggy after dinner. She would sit down to watch TV, but could not remember what she had just watched a few minutes earlier. After about 10 days of eating a few orange slices early in the evening, she started noticing a difference. She woke up feeling sharper, less forgetful, and no longer had that heavy feeling in her head in the morning. If you want to try it, eat about half to 1 small orange early in the evening or around 90 minutes before bed. Try to eat whole oranges instead of drinking bottled orange juice or juice with too much added sugar. You should also avoid removing all of the white inner layer because that is where many of the brain-supporting flavonoids are found. And when oranges are combined the right way with bananas and apples, you create a very powerful trio for the brain. One helps you sleep more deeply. One helps protect brain cells. And one helps deliver more blood, oxygen, and nutrients to the brain throughout the night. But for these fruits to truly work, what matters is not just what you eat. It is when you eat them and how you eat them. Many people eat fruit right after a very heavy dinner or too close to bedtime while their stomach is still full. That can make digestion harder, cause blood sugar to rise too quickly, and even affect sleep quality. Instead of eating everything at once, try spreading them out through the evening. Oranges can be eaten earlier, about 1.5 to 2 hours before bed. That gives your body enough time to absorb the vitamin C and the compounds that help improve blood flow to the brain. Apples can be eaten about an hour after dinner. This gives the fiber and antioxidants in the apple more time to work in your body before you go to sleep. Bananas should be the last fruit you eat, around 45 minutes to an hour before bed. That is the ideal time for magnesium, tryptophan, and vitamin B6 to help the body relax and fall asleep more easily. You also do not need to eat very much. A few orange slices, half an apple or one small apple, and half a banana is enough. The goal here is not to fill your stomach. The goal is to give your brain exactly what it needs before it enters the most important recovery phase of the day. Also, try to avoid coffee, strong tea, chocolate, or overly sweet foods in the evening. These can make your sleep less restful and prevent your brain from having enough time to repair itself and strengthen memory. Your brain does not need expensive or complicated solutions to stay healthy. Sometimes it simply needs the right nutrients at the right time. Memory does not disappear just because you are getting older. In many cases, your brain is simply lacking sleep, lacking nutrients, and lacking the right support during the most important hours of the night. That means you still have a chance to improve. You are not too old to sleep better. You are not too late to think more clearly, and you are certainly not powerless against the changes happening in your body. Sometimes, one small change in your evening routine can make a big difference within a few weeks. A little orange to improve blood flow to the brain, an apple to reduce inflammation and protect brain cells, a little banana to help you sleep more deeply and allow the brain to recover better overnight. It sounds simple, but many major improvements in health often begin with simple changes like these. So here is what I want you to try for the next 14 days. Every evening, add a little orange, apple, or banana at the right time before bed. Then, pay attention to what happens. Are you sleeping better? Do you feel more clear-headed in the morning? Are you less forgetful, less tired, and better able to focus? And if you decide to start tonight, leave a comment below that says, "I'm starting today." I truly want to know how many people are choosing to take care of their brain before it is too late. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Because in future videos, we are going to talk much more about memory, sleep, blood circulation, brain health, and simple habits that can help you stay mentally sharp after 60.